Welcome to my crib. Oh my god, it's so hot. Woo! Okay, let's get serious. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to the family. So I'm sure you guys know by now. If you don't, I'm telling you now. I have moved to Amsterdam for a couple of months. I'm doing a semester abroad program here, so I'll be back in South Africa next year. So I'm doing the rest of my school year here in Amsterdam. So yeah, it's been a really exciting few days. I literally came on Sunday. I've been here for a couple of days, and I've just been exploring the city and like exploring the area that I'm living in, and yeah, just figuring myself out, I guess, and trying to navigate myself in this new space. So I'm not staying in Amsterdam Central where you see all the touristic photos and stuff like that. I'm staying in Amsterdam East, which is a 10-minute train ride to the city center, so it's pretty accessible. I much rather prefer the area that I'm staying in, just because the city center is like saturated with tourists. It's quite absurd, and everything is super overpriced there, obviously, because it's a tourist city, and there's like too many people. It's just like, oh. So yeah, it's nice to see, it's nice to experience and to like spend the day there, but to live there, nah, definitely not for me. So yeah, I'm staying in the east, and it's super awesome. Very suburban, lots of students, lots of international students, also families, like just a very diverse range of people. It's a very international community as well, but not so much tourists, you know. So like the international people in my area actually live here, whereas in the city center it's like a lot of tourists that are just going there for like a couple of days. So that's why it's super packed. But I really do love my area. It's just so nice. I don't know how to explain it. It's just so nice. There's just so much vegetation. There's stuff to do here. It's just perfect, you know. So yeah, that's where I'm staying, and I'm in like a student's accommodation. It's like students accommodation, so only students stay here, but it's not run by the university. So there's no like there's no receptionist and like admin stuff like that, like in, I don't know, in Cape Town raises. You just like live here. It's so independent, but it's like where only students are allowed to live here. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So then in my living situation, I just have this like really nice open space kind of apartments. I use it very lightly because it's not as big as like an apartment that I'm sure you're imagining. It's a room, but like with the kitchen and a toilet and my bedroom. So I guess it's like an open floor kind of studio apartment. And so I'm renting it from a girl who's on exchange as well. So she goes to the university that I'm going to, but she's on exchange, so she's rented out her room to me. So I'm basically paying my rent to her, if you understand what I mean. And I'm not gonna lie, she did leave some nice decor, so it made it very easy for me to work with. But she did obviously take some of her stuff with her, but like she gave me a lot to work with, so shout out to her. And then I went on Monday, like the day after I arrived, to go get decor, decorations, plants for my room and stuff like that, and I managed just to like make it my own kind of vibe. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, but I know you guys didn't come here to hear me talk. You came to see the room, so let's start this tour. Okay, so as soon as you get into the apartment, you have the kitchen on the right hand side, which is really sweet and small, everything I need. And we have this open pantry, which is super nice. It's just 2 shelves where I get to keep all my food. I love it because it adds a lot of color and character to the kitchen. So yeah, that's basically my kitchen. I've got a little fridge down there, and my oven, my vacuum cleaner that's sticking out, and yeah, love it. Okay, and then opposite the kitchen we have this door that leads to the bathroom, and here we have my little bathroom. Toilets here, my sink with all my products, and the shower. So yeah, that is my bathroom. Okay, so when you step out the bathroom, you have my little makeup and accessories desk, and this cute little hexagon mirror. I didn't want to keep my makeup in the bathroom just because I didn't want my bathroom to be too congested with too many things, so I just thought I'd put it outside here, which looks pretty cute, so it works. Okay, on this side of the apartment we have this cute little bookshelf that I decorated myself. I basically just went to this store that has like everything. I got these cute little ornaments like the plants kind of mirror, this LED box lights, then I got this nice diamond mirror and some fake plants because no matter how hard I try, I literally cannot keep plants alive, and it's okay, so I just decided to get fake ones because I'm not going to kill any plants anymore. So that's my bookshelf. I really like it. Just adds a lot of life to the room. And then we move towards just the hangout area. So it's this cute little couch that I can just sit here, have coffee, read a book, whatever, and just kind of relax. I kind of like to eat there and watch some series. And then we move on to this little random corner. We have this lovely ladder that Talia left, and I just decorated it with some fairy lights. I might get another set and wrap it around the other side of the ladder. And then we have some dried up flowers here that just create a bit of life in the room. Then we move on to the outside of my room. Really city-like, suburban. It's pretty nice. And that's the other accommodation opposite that you see. And this cute little table that I can do some work on, and it's nice to work here and just look outside. And then we have this huge ass closet of mine, and that's me. So yeah, it's pretty nice. It's got this nice big mirror. I love the situation that's happening here. Everything just looks so nice together. There's this very nice light that just also adds a lot of character to the room, gives it like a completely different vibe. And then we have my bed and I have a whole bunch of photos over there of me and all my lovely friends. It's quite a lot, but yeah. I know I'm gonna miss them, so I just decided to have that. I just basically changed the bedspread that was already here because white always looks really good in any situation. And then I got these really cool lights. I got these really cool lights from the shop in Amsterdam that has like everything and anything you need. So it looks really nice in the evening. And yeah, that's me. So that's basically my room. It's really nice and just super comfortable. And yeah, that's all from me, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I know it wasn't really much, but I just thought I'd show you guys my space. And yeah, I'll see you guys super soon for my next video. Let me know if you have any suggestions of the kind of content that you want to see. I will post content, that I will do, but just don't expect it to be like super duper regular, because I'm trying to like be a bit more present and in the moment. But I will be posting as much as I possibly can, and I hope you guys did enjoy this cute little video. So yeah.